Hello, it's Lisa. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of our August monthly subscription box. We've been getting a lot of emails lately, so I just wanted to address that really quick, but we have not shipped out the August sub boxes yet. They are scheduled to ship out on the 4th of September. We're wondering if we should change the name of our subscription boxes because every single month we get lots of emails of people asking, where's my sub box? Like, where is it? You sent it late, but actually it's on time. If not on time, then it's early. And a lot of people are just confused, but basically we call it the August sub box and we ship it out in September. But the reason why it's called August is because we bill during the month of August, and then the actual subscription box is intended to be used in September. Obviously, we try to keep the months pretty neutral so that you can use them honestly anytime. Not just during September. You could definitely use this kit any time of the year. So yeah, we just call it whatever the month we're billing is the box's name. So this is August's box. We have already billed it, and if you want to grab this box, it is still available. It'll be available until the end of this month. So if you want to grab it, it is on sale this weekend from Friday to Sunday. If you just want to try it for one time, you can grab it for $25. It's usually $30 if you want to do a one-time purchase. Or if you just want to subscribe and join the Sticker Guru fam, you can totally do that. It's $24 a month. Really great deal. You get a full page weekly kit, deco, lots and lots of foil. I believe this is 6 sheets of foil. You also get some stationery items. So you get this journaling card, 2 washies, and then also a sticky note, vellum sticky note. If you're interested, I'll have a link in the description for you to go and check it out. I am going to be doing a flip through of everything so you can see what exactly comes in this box and if you want to grab it. Before I get into it, make sure to subscribe if you're not already and leave a comment letting me know what your thoughts are on this month's theme. It is bookworm themed, and we use custom art in all of our sub boxes. So this is all custom and you won't be able to find this anywhere else. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into the unboxing. Okay, I like starting with the stickers first, and this time let's start with the foil. So the foil color that we picked for this month is rose gold, and hence why the foil sheets are all going to be rose gold as well, just to match with your weekly kit. So first up, we have these book stack stickers, really cute. I love the florals. They match really well with the weekly kit. Next, we have these open book deco. Again, love the little florals, little wildflowers. Next, we have a couple of icons. So first up, we have these mugs, perfect for a coffee day, a tea day, anything like that. And then we also have these reading icons. And these 2 icons are actually available in our shop if you wanted to get them in other foil colors. Then we of course had to include some date dots that match with this kit and decided to go with some orange slices because, as you can see in the weekly kit, there are some orange slices in the tea. So that is date dots, and then the last and 6th sheet of foil you'll be getting is these bookshelf dividers. So super cute. Then moving on to the deco sheet. This is what the deco looks like. Again, these are all drawn just for us, so super exciting if you love custom art, if you love supporting artists. This is just my favorite. And then we have the 4-page weekly kit, and I actually had to make this myself it usually doesn't come on this paper. It always comes on the Luxe Premium Matte paper. It's like super thick and kind of feels like vinyl. Really nice sticker paper, but we are still waiting on those to arrive from our manufacturer, so I just decided to make a singular kit just so I could show you guys what it looks like. Here is the full box and all the art and foil up close. I'm obsessed with all of the florals in this kit. And then the scene, I think, is just so cute. It also matches with the journaling card. Next, we have the headers, and I realize now that I actually made a mistake when I was printing this, but this is also supposed to be foiled, so yours will definitely be foiled. Mine just was not. Then we have the bottom washi. I really like this blue thin washi here. I think it's so pretty. And then we have the thick washi down here with a little bit of foil. Next, we have the boxes page. You get a whole bunch of different sizes, boxes of all sorts of shapes and corners. Then you have some scalloped half boxes down at the bottom. And then we have the functional page, which comes with your date covers, some watercolor swatches, sidebar stickers, checklist, scallop circles, flags, and some foiled layering stickers. So that is the entire kit. Again, I'm really obsessed with the full boxes, just all the colors. This is a great transitional kit between summer and fall. And then moving on to the stationery items. First up, we have the 2 washi tapes. Here's what they look like unopened. Actually opened a set here, and I have the swatches. So we have the thick washi, which is 15 millimeters, and it is foiled. There's little foiled specks all throughout. And then we have the thin washi, which has like a leaf pattern on it. Again, these are both rose gold foiling. So that is what the thin one looks like. This one is 5 millimeters. And then we have the journaling card, which, see, it matches with the center full box. And then this one just says, "Get lost in a good book." And then lastly, you will receive a set of transparent sticky notes. And this is in the shade Berry. So here's what that looks like. It is transparent, so you can see under it. And yeah, that is all the stationery items that our sub box comes with. So that is everything in our August sub box. If you wanted to grab it, definitely grab it this weekend when it's on sale for $25, or if you want to subscribe, it's $24. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!